Hello, we are happy to be with you in the next lesson of wooden floor. My name is Habineza Michel.
Herewith, Habimana Gabriel Defort. We are both trainers at Ranger Activate School.
In the last video, we prepared pieces and produced joints.
Let's now proceed with tray assembly and preparation of ground.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Seth Munyehirwe, the carpentry trainer at Ranger Activate School. We are going to have the lesson in wooden floor where we are going to see about the tray assembly and preparation of the ground. This lesson has two objectives. The first objective is that at the end of the lesson you will be able to perform well the tray assembly. The objective number two is that you will be able to prepare the ground where the floor will be fixed. As usual, I would like to request you to follow well and take notes where it is necessary so that later it will be easier for you in case you need to produce the wooden floor. So now as the pieces are ready and the drawings are produced, we are going to do the tray assembly. We will not focus on the joists or the noggins, we will just check how the planks are fitting. Because the issue is that the wooden floor it's too big, and when you want to do the tray assembly, and then you do mainly the parts that you think they might be complicated during the final assembly. That's why I will check how the joints are fitting for most of the pieces, and then if they are fitting, we'll take them as they are just for the final assembly. before we start to fix the floor pieces, we have to prepare the ground. The reason why you prepare the ground is that first, the floor can resist the moisture, but second is that the floor can be the soundproof. To prepare the ground so that it can resist the moisture, we just have to make sure that first we have to put there the cement pavement, but which is rough. So like you have it here. The second thing, still on the moisture, we have to select where the joists that we will use. Here, this kind of joists that I'm having, they are just pieces from the marine board. As you know, the marine board resists water. So that's why if we use it on the floor, it's nice. Another advantage for this marine board is that we do not need to put there the insulating materials for the sound, because they are with small thickness, and when the thickness is smaller, it means later we have the small gap under, and like this we are reducing the percentage of the noise that the floor will have.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.